I think there's a psychological dimension to the AI fire intersection that isn't being addressed, and it's this. Fire people have a very complicated relationship with work. We are optimizing to leave it. We count the days. We celebrate the one more year milestones. And yet many of us are high performers. We're the ones getting promoted, taking on extra projects, building reputations. We do derive identity and purpose and self-worth from being excellent at what we do, even as we're planning our escape from it. So what happens when AI doesn't just threaten your income, but also threatens your sense of professional mastery? Think about it. If you spent 10 or 15 years becoming an exceptional financial analyst, and suddenly an AI tool can do 80% of your analysis in 10 minutes, that's not just a career risk, that's an identity risk. The thing you were proud of being great at has just been commoditized. It's like being the best horse-drawn carriage driver in 1910. Your skill is very real, it's just less relevant. This can hit people hard emotionally, and there's probably a grief process involved. In the FIRE community, this creates a strange double bind. You wanted to leave work eventually anyway, but you wanted to leave on your terms, with your head held high, having built something you were proud of. Being pushed out by a large language model doesn't have the same dignity. I think we need to be honest about this. Financial independence isn't just a number, it's a story you tell yourself about your life. And if AI is rewriting that part of the story, you need to grieve the old version before you can fully embrace the new one. The good news? FIRE people are actually better equipped for this than most. We've already done the psychological work of decoupling our identity from our income to some degree. We already know that our worth isn't defined by our job. So when AI forces the question of who am I if I'm not the best copywriter in the room, we're already ahead of the curve in having an answer, or at least being willing to sit with the question. Maybe this is the real gift of the FIRE movement in the age of AI. The philosophical foundation that you are more than your job, that your worth isn't your output, that financial independence isn't just freedom from work, it's freedom to choose what matters. That identity question is just one of 8 angles I cover in the full episode. It's called AI is Replacing Your Job. Here's my FIRE plan. We get into what I'm calling the golden window, the shrinking gap between now, when your skills still command a premium, and the moment the market reprices the work. I lay out a 5-step playbook, the maths that breaks when your earning timeline compresses, why Coast FIRE might become the default strategy, and a contrarian take that might flip your whole perspective. The full episode is in the description, and if you want the playbook as a free PDF, go grab it now at lifeafterenough.com.